First up, get ready to light up the night. Or, just your wrist game. These are the SCIONE 24-pack LED light-up fidget spinner bracelets. Yeah, you heard that right, 24 of these bad boys. Each one is a bracelet, and LED light show, and a fidget spinner all in one. They drop in random colors and styles, so it's a fresh surprise every time. They pulse with red, blue, and green lights in 3 awesome modes, from a chill flash to a wild blink. Perfect for concerts, dances, late-night study grinds, or just making your TikToks pop. Plus, they're safe, eco-friendly, and actually fit teens and adults, not just little kids. For around $20, you've got enough glow-up gear for your whole crew. Next, let's talk classics but remastered. Check out the SCIONE 5-pack fidget spinners. Everyone knows the OG spinner vibe, but these are next level. You get a pack of 5 in slick colors. These aren't just toys, they're serious focus fuel. Perfect for zoning in, chilling out anxiety, or kicking those annoying habits like nail biting without even thinking. They've got high-speed ceramic bearings for crazy smooth. Super long spins, we're talking over a minute, easy. One-handed operation, built tough and pocket-sized. Grab a 5-pack, stash 'em everywhere, desk, bag, pocket for an instant focus boost. Pro tip, snag a few packs and save some cash. Ready for something totally different and weirdly satisfying? Say hello to the more fidget worm. This ain't your average fidget. It's quiet, super tactile, and incredibly versatile. It accordions, collapses, flexes, extends. You can bend it and shape this thing in sulfur monoxide many ways. It's like a silent, bendy stress ball. Perfect for stealth fidgeting during class or those boring online meetings. Pop it in your pocket bag or let it chill on your desk. It's portable, unique, a guaranteed convo starter, and honestly, it just feels awesome to mess with. Need that endless motion to calm your mind? You've found it. This is the Bunmo Infinity Cube. The name says it all, it's an infinity loop of pure satisfaction. Flip and fold, flip and fold. Just lose yourself in the smooth, constant movement. This little cube is amazing for bringing calm when you're feeling overwhelmed or just straight up bored. Fantastic for breaking habits like knuckle cracking or leg shaking by keeping those hands happily occupied. It's pocket-sized, durable, available, and cool beechwood for that premium feel or sturdy plastic for everyday carry, and just feels quality. Perfect for busy hands and a brilliant gift for any friend looking for something cool and calming. Okay, last but definitely not least, the transformer of fidgets, the Tozy Magnet Fidget Spinner Mini. This thing is a 3-in-1 beast. It's a super smooth fidget spinner. Bam! It transforms into a magnetic 2x2 puzzle cube. Bam! And you can pull it apart into magnetic building blocks to create over 100 different shapes, packed with strong magnets in every block. It clicks and connects with that super satisfying precision. It boosts creativity, helps with logical thinking, steam points, and just gives you sulfur monoxide many ways to fidget, build, and focus. It's durable, feels incredible in your hands, and is seriously a boredom buster. It's like having 3 epic gadgets in one. So there you have it. 5 incredible fidgets that are way more than just toys, they're your secret. Weapons for focus, calm, and seriously upping your cool factor. Whether you want to light up the party, spin away stress, explore unique textures, find an endless loop of calm, or build and transform, there's a perfect fidget here to match your vibe. Ready to snag one or, let's be real, all of these. All the links to these game-changing fidgets are waiting for you right now in the description below this video. Click those links, find the perfect fidget for you, and level up your focus and fun today. Don't wait, grab yours now. Smash that like button if you found your next fidget obsession. Subscribe for more awesome finds, and we'll catch you in the next one.